Hi, fourth graders. We are going to go over this in our Zoom meeting today, how to log into your Google Classroom and how to join the Google Classroom. But you can watch this as well, or if you forgot after watching us in the Zoom meeting, you'll have this to keep watching. You can pause it, do your step, come back to it, whatever you need. Hopefully it helps. So to log into your Google Classroom, you are going to need your email address and your password to your email address. They are all the same. When you log into Google Classroom, if you're already logged into your email address, this is what it's going to look like. I can see my picture. That means I'm already logged in to my email. So that means I'm already logged into my Google Classroom. So if I click on these waffle little dots, I have all my different apps. Here's Classroom. So I can go ahead and click on it, and it's going to bring me to my classrooms. Now I have a lot. You probably have your third grade teachers, maybe one other classroom. We need to add our classroom for this year. And to add a classroom, you click on this plus sign and it says create or join a class. Join a class. And that's right here where it says class code. That's where you're going to put in that class code that I sent you, which is LSU3DSL. And then you press join. I'm already part of the classroom, so it's not going to let me. But you press join, and then it will be there. And this is what it looks like. Fourth grade, Mrs. Hammock. So far, 9 students have popped in. So that is how you join a classroom. If you are not logged into your email yet, it's going to have you log into your email to get to Google Classroom. And so all you do is right here, enter your email. Mine is bhammock@bsd124. Yours is going to be your first name, dot, don't forget that dot, last name, at, and then you have students.bsd124.org. And then you press next, and it will have you put in your password, which is your initials and then your 6-digit lunch number. And once you're logged in, then you go to the waffles, get to your classroom. I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions.